you are looking for super easy, cheap, and very tasty salad recipe, watch this video until the end.
สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe
สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm Nin welcome to my channel Nin right Nin is cooking not C is cooking Today I will show you guys how to cook a very easy salad just in 10 minutes It is sardine salad with tomato sauce but in Thai style Are you ready? Let's go! To start, I will separate sardine from the sauce. I will use my hand to remove sardine because I don't want to break it. If I use chopstick or fork, I can break it and I don't want it. And now peel and slice shallots. Same for kaffir lime leaves. To make it easier to cut the kaffir lime leaf, roll it before. When you buy a lemongrass like this, you cannot eat it. So I will show you how to prepare it. First, cut it half. Then cut the head part. Now you can see inside, right? So I will remove one layer and then we start to slice it. As you can see, there is kind of purple line in the lemongrass and my mom she always taught me that when you cut the lemongrass, you cut until you don't see the purple line inside. See? There is no purple line inside, so I stop cut it. And now slice the chili. Now it's time to mix everything in the tomato sauce. Lemongrass, shallot, add fish sauce, then lime juice, Mix everything well. And taste it. Oh, it's very tasty. Alright, let's try it now. What? Okay, you can join me. You wanna try?
I don't know. It seems to be actually very spicy.
It's healthy.
Yeah.
Spicy is mean healthy.
Very, very good.
It's fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh. It's spicy. It's like sweet and spicy and maybe a bit sour at the same time.
Like Thai salad, Thai style.
Yeah, very good.
I will try. But that one I put a lot of chili.
No, it's okay. Even, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
And this dish is very cheap.
Yeah.
It's not even cost me 30 baht, I think.
30 baht
Yeah, but
to
you
buy
can-
all ingredients.
Yeah, but you can
30 baht is like not even $1.
and you can make it 2 times.
Very cheap, very good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Alright, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment, share, and shop that like button.
You see, I did it well.
Very good. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. We will enjoy our meals now.
I will enjoy.
อร่อยนะ